A warm welcome to the sixth film in our Stairs series, in which we take a look at how stairs are represented in architectural drawings. Stairs can be difficult to show on architectural drawings due to their complex spatial geometry. Let's start by looking at a plan view. Because a plan view is taken at a cutting plane through a building 1 meter from the ground and looks downwards, stairs that pass through the cutting plane diagonally take on an unfamiliar form. The cut lines show the front edge of the steps and understair soffit. The projected edges of all the elements above this, including the soffit and the well hole, are drawn using dotted lines. Things become even more complicated if there is another flight of stairs below the cut flight, as is commonly the case in multi-story buildings. Since all the elements below the cutting plane must be shown, we can also see all the steps below the cutting plane, that is to say both the steps of the cut flight of stairs and the visible steps of the flight below it. Drawing a plan view of stairs is therefore a complex and time-consuming task. Think back to our first series of films, Between the Lines, in which we stressed the importance of German Standard DIN 13561 types, content and general rules of representation. It offers a simplified method of showing stairs in plan view that avoids the time-consuming task of drawing them. Though this method is widely used, it does have a couple of drawbacks. It shows neither the ceiling opening nor the well hole, and the oblique section through the stairs is somewhat confusing. Our book, Perfect Scale, which I expect you have already seen, suggests a way of drawing stairs for each scale that is both easy to understand and easy on the eye. In any case, the method outlined in DIN 13561 will be of little help to you as students, particularly in 1 to 50 and 1 to 20 scale drawings, because you will be asked to show all the elements of a staircase: bottom step, top step, ceiling opening, handrail, etc. Perfect Scale also suggests a method for rendering stairs in design scale drawings using an abstracted technique that is both attractive and easy to understand, though it does not follow DIN 13561 in all respects. Summary. Like all the other parts of a building, a plan view of stairs is taken at a cutting plane 1 meter from the ground. As stairs run diagonally in relation to the cutting plane, however, drawing a plan view of stairs can prove a complex and time-consuming task. To avoid this, German Standard DIN 13561 offers a simplified method for showing stairs in plan view. It does, however, have a couple of drawbacks. Our book, Perfect Scale, suggests a way of drawing stairs that is both easy to understand and easy on the eye. Our next series of films looks at design details. We hope you will be able to join us.